13 squared. 13 squared. This can also be written as 1 slash 3 or C all squared. This is the same thing as A slash B all squared. And from our comparison, we see that our A is 1 and our B is 3. So according to this, where A is 1, B is 3, we apply our formula, which is A slash B all squared is equal to A squared slash 2AB slash B squared. And where we see that our A is 1, so 1 slash 3 all squared is the same thing as 1 squared, then slash of 2. Now 2 times A is 1, then slash 3 squared, which is our B. So if we square these values, 1 squared is 1 according to the rule, then 2 times 1 is 2, then 2 times 3 give us 6. So this gives us 6 entirely here. So this gives us 9 because 3 squared is 9. According to this, these are single digits, so this implies that that is our final answer, 1, 6, and 9. So if all is single digits, the answer is this.